All right, so today I'm gonna introduce you to Flagship. This is actually our #1 selling fertilizer. This is the one that you want if you want the greenest lawn on the block and you want it to last the longest. Flagship has an analysis of 2406. That's 24% nitrogen, of which half of that is slow release nitrogen. And then it's also got 6% potassium, and it is phosphorus free. Just like all of our fertilizers, it's spiked with Bio-Nite. Bio-Nite is a natural additive that we put in there to feed the microbes in the soil as well as add carbon. You can kind of think of Bio-Nite as the Florida version of Milorganite. That's also spiked into every bag. The other thing that we have here with Flagship is a nice complement of micronutrients to support healthy growth, including chelated iron. Chelated iron is going to give your lawn that deeper, darker blue-green color that you're looking for. And additionally, we have in there some manganese and some zinc, again, to support healthy growth. You can use Flagship pretty much any time of the year as long as the lawn is growing. Like we say, if you are mowing, then you can be throwing Flagship when you want the maximum green to last the longest. We have this in two sizes. We have an 18-pound bag that covers 6,000 square feet, as well as a 45-pound bag that covers 15,000 square feet, shipped straight to your door. I'm Alan Hain, the Lawn Care Nut for Yard Mastery. I want to thank you for supporting an American small business, and I'll see you in the lawn.